Hey guys, let's clean my road bike today. It's pretty dirty. It needs good clean, as you can see. Oh, you cannot see it. How do I clean my bike? How do I clean my road bike? How can I make it last long? How can I make it last forever? I think I don't have an answer for that, but how can I make it last very long? And how can you make your drivetrain last very long? How do I clean my road bike? By the way, it's hot outside and I've chosen my outfit already, so I'll be outside cleaning my road bike, showing you how it works and how can you make your drivetrain last very long. I feel like that's a pretty good maintenance you can do and it's very important to also do. There's one section which you don't have to do, maybe if you don't have the tools, if you don't want to get into that, but how do I clean it? I'm using some bike cleaner to clean my bike and make it look shiny and new. That's what I want to lead you through, and also what kind of maintenance I'm doing to my bike during this process of cleaning it and making it ready for the next rides. Let's do this, let's clean the bike. And here it is, right in front of us. I feel like we have to start. The best is when you have your bike on a bike stand, like the Bikehand, which I'm using here. It will help you cleaning a lot, especially when you take off the wheels and it's just free hanging and you don't have to worry to bend down and try to reach something in a floor or whatever. So that's really nice and handy. And yes, it's about 94 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 34-35 degrees Celsius. So yes, I'm wearing shorts and I'm happy about it. You can also clean the disc brake housing. Just make sure you're not spraying any bike cleaner onto the brake pads. As well as you can clean, as you can see here, on the other side of the drivetrain, the rear derailleur. Be careful with cleaning that you don't force it in a position which it should not go to, but you can feel that. So this is a little bit for more advanced people. I'm taking off the cassette because I want to soak this in a degreaser completely when I have it shining afterwards. But you don't have to do that because you need special tools for that. That's what it looks like when you take off the cassette. Put this into a degreaser. For degreasing, I'm using the Park Tool degreaser. Also, I put it in here. A lot of liquid for the cassette, as you can see. Now I can clean the whole rim, but also the tire if you want to, if you make it nice and shiny. I hope you have enough bike cleaner on your towel. If not, just spray more on it. Make sure you can, if you touch the rotor, it doesn't matter really because we're going to clean it later.
So before putting on the front wheel again, let's decrease this one as well. Therefore you need a rag and some grease.
After we took off the old grease, now we can grease it again with fresh new grease. So you can see, just spread it out all over. Now you also have the chance to check your brake pads, if they still look good or if there's still material on them, or if you need to change them pretty soon or immediately.
You can see I need to dry them, clean them now individually, so the cassette is getting nice and shiny again.
Make sure you keep the right order also with those spacers, that's very important, you don't want to mess it up. So that's why I use the zip tie at the beginning, just keep the right order. And that's what it should look like at the end.
We did clean the cassette, but we still have to clean the entire wheel and also decrease this part, the hub where the cassette goes on. We need to grease the hub now and then put the cassette back on. Let's clean the axle as well for the rear wheel and then grease it again.
No CAD. But the bike is still here, that's great. Had to replace the SD card, continue filming, that you can see what I'm doing next. So I didn't clean 100% the rear wheel because I want to check the chain, but the chain I cleaned a couple days ago, so I'm just giving it a little refresh and putting on some lube, some dry lube. One last thing, because there might be some grease or whatnot on the rotor itself, I'll clean that as well with isopropyl alcohol now. Now we clean the rotor, so I'll test both brakes now, just because I cleaned them, and then we're done with cleaning a bike. I like it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Tschüss!